In Jungle Book series, everyone liked this character. Can you guess who is it? Yes. Get ready to meet Mr. Balu, the beautiful bear of India. See how playful it is. Not stopping for 1 second. So beautiful, so elegant, just looking like a wow. This cute overjoy fun makes everyone look at him without closing their eyes. This bear is super active, but one thing reminds me of this is whenever I see bear section in other zoos of India, mostly bears are kept together, but here I am seeing bear alone. So I took very pity for him because these lovable creatures will always stay together. So waving goodbye to this beautiful bear, we move to the next section. Do you love bears as much as me? Comment below. So next they have kept some birds, to be specific, non-flying birds, where I cannot spot an ostrich, but I have spotted emu. There are many emu birds are there, and cassowary are there. I hope you know cassowary. It has a long neck and black furred body. I am sorry to say fur, black feathered. These cassowary lay green color eggs, and cassowary can deliver very powerful kicks. So if you see this bird, please do not go near to them. They are dangerous. If we are threatened, then they will jump on us and kick us. And the nail on their toe is very much similar to a knife. So you admire the beauty at a distance. So seeing the cassowary and emu, we go to the next segment. So here lies the water horse, hippopotamus. Thank you for watching.